Well, let's continue. Accidentally stopped the video. I hope the first part was saved. I'm gonna type in again negative. So negative 200. I'm gonna go to the left negative. Well, it makes sense. Negative left. Yeah. So I'm gonna type again like negative 64. Negative 2, and just as far as it can go to the left. And I figured by doing some tests earlier, like it needs like 464 steps to go all the way from left to right, or from right to left. So I'm just gonna type in plus 464, and that'll go all the way to the right. That's right. Let me touch it. It gets pretty hot. Still warm now. I can touch it. But once you do a lot of, once it's been activated for a long time, it'll get hot. So I'm typing again, like, yeah. That'll go all the way to the right. You type that again, plus, and go all the way to the right. Alright, looks good. This side, the sliding thing, it kinda lift up, gonna go up a little bit, because we got this pulley over here, and the shaft of the motor, they're not at the same level. They're not horizontally at the same level. So it gives it a little bit, but it's cool. It's cool. This is the first thing I built over here, and it's doing well. I like it. Anyway, we could put in 200 and another 200, and 64, and it goes all the way. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we've said this earlier. We've talked about the driver earlier. It's just the L98 driver over here. Well, it's a fabric. It's a board that comes pre-assembled. I've just changed the heatsink, so it'll cool a little bit, and it does the job. Like it, you can shut it down using the switch, whatever. Using a power supply. This power supply is a 2-amp power supply at 12 volts. Yep, that's what it says. And of course, the other one, that's just a mega. Alright, the code is pretty simple. On my camera I can't focus on the code, but it's pretty simple. It's just including this stepper library and defining how many steps in the revolution and the speed we want. I don't know the speed, whatever. I don't know what is that like exactly. Is it increments or something else? Then you just put in the parameters. You create an object of stepper. Put in the parameters, which are the revolution, which is the steps. I mean, it's revolution for steps, and the pinout along the. Usually this goes with the bipolar stepper motor. It works well with that. So you define the 4 pins that are connected to the Arduino, and the stepper will take care of everything. You set the speed. You also define the speed at the voice setup, and I just initiated the serial monitor. Then I read whatever was taped into the serial monitor, then transfer that to the Arduino tube. That's how many steps I want to go. Pretty simple. By the way, the motor is a unipolar motor. It got 6 wires coming up, and I'm just using it in bipolar mode. Um, Actually, I don't like unipolars too much. Well, they actually use less. I don't know, less power or something. I don't know. Well, that is something with power. They got some difference in power, but I like bipolar. They're like simple. You just hook up 4 wires, and the library is also pretty good with the bipolar ones. So that's pretty much good. I like it. Okay, that's pretty much for this video now. Hoping you enjoyed it, and well, till next time.